Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing of some inserts for my bags. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this Tsunomi. Number one, this video is not sponsored. I just bought a couple items from them and I'm gonna try them on in my bag. I've always researched inserts for bags and I have never actually got the chance to try one out that I really like. I have bought different ones for different bags that I do own, and either they're too tight or they feel different. So I actually had seen reviews on these that actually were good. The pricing on them is kind of pricey. They're not, super cheap, but if you're putting it in a bag that it's gonna be worth it, and if it's good, I feel like it's worth it. So that's why I bought it. So I just, it came in a FedEx wrapping ugly bag, so I just took it out. Let me see. Oh, this is cute. It comes with a little card. I think it's a card. We'll put it on the side. And then this is the insert that I got. Actually, you can customize any color you want. I picked this pretty pink. I probably should have got black, but I got this pretty pink for my multiple check kirigami bag. Which, what is this? I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's an extra little something. If you guys have bought from this brand, comment down below what this is. I have no idea. I mean, it looks like to put cards. Probably it is. So this is how the insert looks. I'm going to try them on right now as well to show you guys. So this is for this bag right here. I'm going to try it on and show you guys. That's for that. And then I'm not sure what that's for. And then let's open this one up. So what I liked, and I saw that they had the set for the multi-pouch accessories, which I'm like, I have to buy it for mine to protect it, of course. Let's see. Okay, so here's another one. So I don't know, what are they for? Comment down below. I mean, I could use them to put my cards. I'm sure cards fit in here. Let me see. This is my card one. I'm sure cards fit, or is it just so you can know what color you bought? No idea. Comment down below if you guys know. But if it's for cards, that works great. So this is the one for this one. It looks like it's gonna fit. And now, okay, so I'm gonna do this one first. So I open it up. Let me take the outside. So this bag originally already has like a little flap. Okay. Now this is gonna gives you more little pockets. So it gives you, I don't know if you guys can see, it gives you two, and then a compartment right here and a compartment here. It does feel really soft, and the corners are not super pointy, as you guys can see. So I feel like it'll protect my bag. So let's see if I struggle with. Okay, so I am kind of having to fold the insert. Let's see. Kind of forcing it in. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. Okay, so right here, it feels, on this side right here, it feels kind of tough. Let me see. Okay, so I do feel like it is stretching out the bag a little bit. But, let's see. Close is fine. It does look a little fatter. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there. Than before. And it is a little tough. But I feel like, look how it looks inside. I feel like regardless, when you put stuff in it, you make the bag fat. So I feel like it's still protecting the corners right here, which is like a little stiffer. But I do feel like I will get more use out of this bag with that insert. And then of course, if this is for the cards, that would be great, just to throw it in here with all your cards. I mean, I really don't know what this is for. I'm actually gonna grab a card so I can show you guys if that's what it's for, or what I'm gonna use it for. Okay, so that's this one. Now let's use the other one. Okay, so I went and I grabbed the Starbucks gift card. So let's see. Hey, maybe it is for cards. If it's perfect. If it is, well, that's a great, I should research what it's for, but let me see, it doesn't say. It just says polyester made in South Korea, dry clean, do not wring, do not bleach, iron premium. So I guess you could iron them. That's that. So this is so cute. All right, let's try this one next, which this insert goes for this one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna kind of squish it to make it kind of fat. Oh, didn't struggle. Fits in perfect like a glove. Okay, so I didn't mention this, but I actually had bought inserts from a different company. Don't remember the name of it, but it was online, and actually that insert did not fit my bags at all. It was just a waste of money, plus the shipping was super expensive, which was totally a waste of money, because everything, I think I paid a little bit over $100, and last time I almost paid like $60 for nothing. Okay, but now the insert fits like a glove. Perfect. But now let's try the card. The card doesn't fit with the insert, which that's a bummer, because that's what I wanted it for. So see, if you don't have this in, you just fit your cards in there. Perfect. There's a lot of room. So I guess this insert was not going to be able to use it. I mean, it's cute that it comes out higher and everything, but what am I actually going to put in there if I can't put cards? So, yeah. So it's going to be then the same fit. For this one, if I grab the red insert, since they're the same size, like I said, it fits like a glove, but the bummer is cards don't fit. So I'm probably not going to use those inserts because I do like to use my cards. So bummer on this one. So not too bad. So 2 out of 2 of these I'm not going to use. Okay, now let's try this one. Let's do this one. Let's see how it takes the space on this one. Okay, let's open up the insert. Okay, so this bag, as you guys can see, there's nothing in there. It's just soft. Let's see if it fits. Oh, struggled a little bit, but now it fits like a glove. Let's see the clothes on it. It's a little more tighter, but look at the size. It looks like it is protecting it, and it does make it more useful to store, I don't know if you guys can see, to store more stuff in there. Like, see, let's put a card in there. I don't have anything else to throw in there, but oh, here, let's throw this one in there. Okay, it's too tight, nothing too fat like this one. Maybe like a lipstick, some cash, your keys. It'll protect it from scratching if you throw your keys in there. Let's see, that's what this one looks like. Thought I would show you guys. So it comes out easy and works good. So this one, thumbs up. It works good. My thumb looks funny. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do it, put it on my kirigami bag. Let's see, let's go for the coin purse. I do think they sell them separate, this little triangle. So I know if you guys, because I know a lot of people love this coin purse. So if it works for you guys should definitely get a little insert, just because money sometimes is dirty and you can just throw it in here and not dirty the inside of the bag. So the reason it looks like this, because if you don't know, the bag's actually not circle. It has like, the inside looks like this. So let's try it on. Oh, there's even a little room on the side still. You can stretch it. Let's see the clothes on it. Perfect. You can see right here on the canvas, like that there's something in there. So I would probably say don't keep the inserts in there till you are going to use it. Probably that's what I think I'm going to do, because it might just stretch out the canvas, and plus because I'm extra. But if not, just leave it in there. Okay, now let's try it on this one. So this is the insert. And yes, I was telling you guys I got pink because I really like pink. So this one will make the bag have 2 compartments. And let's take this out. So this bag, if you guys didn't know, here's the inside. It doesn't have anything. Okay, so let's see how this fits in. Put it in there. Okay, it's kind of tight. See, I'm gonna force it in. I didn't read the manual. I don't look. See, I just folded it and it kind of wrinkled. I didn't read a manual on how to shove this in there. Okay, there. So this one's a little tighter fit to try to force it in, but it looks really nice inside. As you guys can see, and you have extra pockets, and it is very soft, so I don't think it'll damage the bag. And let's see, close it. Sorry for the loud noise in the background if you guys can hear it, but yeah, it makes this little bag more useful now that it has an insert, a little bit more organized. You know, throw your face mask in one. You can throw, I like to use this, you can throw it in there. Let's see if it's still, you know, throw that in there and close it. Put your keys in here. Do a little more of that. So this one, thumbs up. I like it. As you guys can see, this is the insert for that one. Okay, now let's try the big one, which is the last one I'm going to show you guys. This is for the big kirigami bag, and this is the insert. So let's try it on. Oh, so this bag, if you didn't know, it does have already a compartment slot in here. You guys can see this one. So now with this, it's gonna have 2. I don't know if you guys can see 2, a big one, and then the extra one that it already had. So let's try it on. Okay, so same as the other one, I had to kind of force it in there. But look how good it looks in there. It looks good. Extra space now. Definitely worth it. I think it's going to protect the inside of my bag. And yeah. You know what I just realized? I've been using this bag so much, and I barely realized that the monogram on the side, right here, and on this one it's smaller. That's so funny, I barely realized it. That's so cute. Anyways, makes me love the bag even more. That's what I was talking about. Look, it's like the little monogram. How cute. I didn't notice. So yeah, that's that, and I feel like I'm set. And since I got 3 of these, I can probably just throw my cards in here, since I can't use this one with the holder, and just use a card in there, and just probably throw my cards in here like that, and just carry your cards this compartment, and then it matches. It's really cute. So yeah, I would say thumbs up to this company. I found it just googling for hours trying to find inserts. Like I said, the video is not sponsored. Should be. No, I'm just kidding. It's not sponsored, but yeah, I would say it's a great bag insert if it helps you guys out. I'm glad. These are the ones I bought, like I said, for this one, just in case you guys skipped the video because it is kind of long. So they have inserts for all these bags that I have here. As you guys can see, it does look a little fatter, but I do have the inserts for all of them. Excuse my mess. And till next time, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Bye. Okay, I think my camera fell, but so this is the insert. I'm not sure if I got the right size or not, but maybe because, or it probably is, but because it's so thin on this one, you probably don't want to damage it. So that's probably why it's only fat in the middle, which that's a good thing. So I got it blue to match that. And then the last thing in the box that I got was a red insert for this red one that I've been using. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera on pause and try to find somewhere to hold it so I can place some in for you guys, so you guys can see if I struggle or not. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen that brand, like I said, comment down below if you have used it and how you like the inserts.